What is going on, everybody? This is PokeKiss Anime SSPR Fan 122 here. Happy Saturday to all you guys, and today I got myself a package in the mail. Now, I believe I ordered this one a couple weeks ago, possibly a month ago, but I don't know, but I'm excited for this one because this is another Henshin device for my favorite Tokusatsu series. I really am excited for this one, so let's get an unboxing, shall we? So, I don't know which one is this one right here because this is the thing I ordered like a few weeks ago, I believe, because it says Power Ranger Toys. I'm guessing it's a Super Sentai changer, I believe, but I am really excited to get this one. And, my dog's being crazy. Alright. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Kamen Rider Exeter Game Driver. Wow, sweet. Whoa. Maybe a little dusty. So here it is, the gamer driver right here from Kamen Rider Exeter. Cha! Level up! Nice. May have a little residue, but I might have to clean it up. Next one, we got the Gashat. Ooh, Kamen Rider Ghost Gashat. This is from the X8 Hyper Rider Battle. Wow, it's pretty cool. Oh, nice. I think this one needs some new batteries, but cool. I know in the show you just put it in. Gashato, Kachan, level up. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we got Gashat set number 2. Whoa. Oh, nice. Oh, this one probably going to need some batteries. I'm going to have to unscrew this, but Dragon Knight Hunter Z or Dragon Knight Hunter Z. Sweet. Next one. Alright, Giri Giri Chambara. Yeah, they're probably going to need some batteries. Oh wow, we got a lot of great Gashats. Alright, Mighty Action X. Emu's Gashat. Yeah, probably gonna have to get the batteries out, get some batteries for this. Next one, Title Quest, Heroes Gashat. Jet Combat, Taiga's Gashat, his secondary form for level 3. Another Title Quest. This is a different version of it. This is from the Memorial set in the X8 series. Really cool. Off to the side. And Dorifima Bito. Cool. And we got more. Let's see which ones we got. Ooh, right. I gotta be careful. Okay, Totsu Robots. Emu's level 3 Gashat. And finally, Shakatiki Sports, which was actually Gemza Gashat that he used to activate his grade 3 form. Pretty cool. And of course, in the episode, obviously, if you've seen X8, in the episode, his game driver didn't work for him, so he became level 10, which is Dangerous Zombie. Pretty cool, but this is also Emu's Gashat now, so pretty awesome. And we got some belt straps. Really, really nice. That is pretty cool. Definitely going to be modifying this as well. And last but not least, ooh. Now also in this set, it came with a really cool weapon, which is that Gashicon Breaker. That's pretty cool. And you can press the buttons. That's pretty cool. And I know this one you can turn into a sword. I don't know how to do that, but still cool though. Wow, that is pretty cool. Okay, I don't know how to get this out. Oh. In order to get this out, you gotta press this button to release it. But that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Nice. So anyways, everybody, I finally owned the gamer driver from Kamen Rider X-Aid, the Gashicon Breaker, which was Kurododan / Hojoemu's main weapon. Well, this was not actually Kurododan's main weapon. He did use this a lot in the future episodes he was in when he returned as Kamen Rider Gam Level 0. But this was actually X-Aid's main weapon. And he did use this in a few episodes, but he mainly used the Gashicon's Key Slasher in the future episodes. He did not use this a lot because Gem used it sometimes, or he did not use it in the episodes it appeared in, but yeah. It was both used by Kurododan and Hojoemu. And basically that's it. And a whole bunch of gas shots. So anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. And as always, let's Henshin!